Soap making essentials. In addition to the components in your kit, you'll need microwave oven, make sure you have adult permission, microwave safe glass measuring cup like Pyrex for melting, mixing, and pouring the soap base, light oil to grease your molds, olive oil, coconut oil, etc. Small spray bottle of rubbing alcohol to spritz your soaps. This removes bubbles and helps layers stick together. Flat, clear workspace near the microwave oven for mixing and pouring. Cutting board and dinner knife for the colorant. Blunt dinner knife, wood stir stick or chopstick for stirring the melted soap. Freezer. You may want small notebook to jot down notes, sketch ideas, and record discoveries. This will become your personal recipe collection. How to make melt and pour soaps. Here are the basic steps you'll use for all your melt and pour soaps. 1. Lightly grease the molds you want to use. Wipe out any excess oil with a paper towel. 2. Place 1 cube 50 grams of glycerin soap base into their microwave safe measuring cup. Each cube makes 2 to 4 soaps, depending on the size of the molds you choose. 3. To add colorant, use a butter knife or vegetable peeler to shave off thin strips from the color blocks. Start with a little bit. You can add more during step 5. 4. Melt the soap base in the microwave oven for 10 seconds until it just begins to melt. 5. Open the oven door and stir the glycerin. Continue to heat in 5-second intervals until it's melted. Do not overheat. You want the glycerin to melt, not bubble or boil. 6. Use an oven mitt to carefully remove the cup and place it on the counter. Have your add-in ingredients ready. The melted soap base will harden quickly. If your soap hardens before you're ready to pour it into the molds, reheat it for a few seconds. 7. Slowly stir in additional ingredients. If your soap hardens before you're ready to pour, reheat it in the microwave for another 5 to 10 seconds. Then pour the soap into your molds. If you see bubbles on the top, lightly spritz the soaps with rubbing alcohol. 8. Place the mold in the freezer for about 45 minutes. 9. Press the back of the mold firmly to release the bars. If you aren't going to use soaps right away, store them in an airtight container or a plastic bag. Cleanup. Hand wash your tools instead of placing them in the dishwasher. Reheat the mixing cup, then wipe off the excess soap before washing. Mixing colors. Forest animals are often shades of brown and gray. Luckily, you have a bigger palette to choose from. Nature can't make a purple bunny, but you can. To make green, yellow plus blue equals green. To make orange, red plus yellow equals orange. To make purple, red plus blue equals purple. Illustration shows color combinations, not amounts. Experiment with colorant amounts to get different shades. Find dried flower petals, oats, nuts, herbs, and spices in the bulk bins in the natural foods aisle of your grocery store. Buy small quantities and experiment.